Children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to discuss about the difference between digits and numbers. What are digits and what are numbers? And what is the basic difference between digits and numbers? So, first come to digits. What are digits? Digits are numerals starting from 0 to 9. Examples: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And what are numbers? Numbers are groups of digits started from 10 and continues to unlimited. Examples: 15, 163, 2539, 4231, etc. etc. So children, you always remember that digits always starts from 0 and end to 9, and numbers always start from 10 and continues to unlimited. This is the basic difference between digits and numbers. Thank you.